back. It's Back to the Basics. I'm Sean Barn. At Looking Point, we help IT organizations make decisions around collaboration, security, and networking. Today we're talking about a Greenfield deployment. This is part 2 of our series. We're talking about WAN. Let's go! Alright, we're back and we're talking network deployment in a greenfield environment. So anyway, we talked about in the first video that we would be making decisions around what WAN technology to use. If I would use SD-WAN, internet circuits with VPN, or if I would use traditional MPLS. And so as I start off, first thing out of my mouth, if I had to choose what WAN technology, obviously I'm thinking we would have 3, 4, 5, 6 sites, something like that. I would be going with SD-WAN. The reason why is because I get all the visibility, policy controlled, I get all of the nerd knobs that I can control traffic if I have multiple connections, or if I have a single connection. It just makes management that much easier. I'm going SD-WAN right from the start. Now, if I had to focus on budget, if I was concerned about the dollars associated with this deployment, which everyone to some degree is, if I wanted to get the most cost-effective solution, the first thing I would do is take a look at what the circuit options are. So I'd get a quote about for MPLS with some integrated internet connectivity. I'd get a quote for internet, traditional internet drops. Maybe I'd look at some broadband options and see what my lowest cost connectivity option was. And then from there, I'd decide, hey, am I going to do a VPN? Now there's a bunch of products out there that do auto-based VPN. You deploy them on the WAN edge and it automatically VPNs and connects all of your remote sites. So complexity isn't a huge deal in this day and age. Plus, if I was cloud first, I would really be leaning towards those internet circuits. So that would be my second option. The third option is MPLS. Now that's really only going to come in if I had a specific need. Maybe I need to ensure quality. Maybe I need to make sure that this data is always private or held in a private network. Then I would be looking at MPLS. But if cost was neutral, internet and MPLS, and I could get maybe the same bandwidth with some additional features with MPLS, I would go that way. So those are my answers. First off, without even eyes closed, I don't need to see the network as long as there's multiple sites involved. I'm going SD-WAN. And then from there, I'm going to make a decision based on pricing, cost, availability, all those things that you do when you're looking at a circuit. So I hope that helps you make your WAN decision. If I said anything in this video that you're like, hey, I'd love to know more about that, maybe we'll do a video about it. Make sure you hit like and subscribe so you get all of our content as we release it. And we'll see you on the next video. Peace out!